Parce que je me sentais seule dans ma petite bulle. Je voulais danser mais je me sentais comme un funambule. Parce que je me sentais seule.
Hey guys, it's 7 a.m. on a Sunday. I have to go to Whole Foods right now and pick up some groceries because I have a pool party that I'm going to this afternoon with some of my best friends. I wanted to make some pizza for our little party. So yeah, we're about to go ahead and go to Whole Foods and get the pasta sauce finished and let it thicken up by the time we arrive to my friend's house. I'm excited. I love my friends. They're so supportive.
De nous, parce qu'on nous a brisés, mais on s'est trouvés, comme si nos larmes par nos fous rires étaient effacées, parce qu'on nous a blessés, mais je t'ai rencontré, comme si ce temps passé m'avait tout fait oublier. Viens, on s'en fout de tout ce qu'ils disent.
En mangeant les desserts et on doit savourer la vie comme on savoure les desserts. Parfait. Merci beaucoup.
I'm not sure what things to wear for this option A. This is from Nasty Gal. Option 2. This is what I'm wearing. This is the fit of the day. So I'm just gonna be with friends at the pool, so
make her food from scratch.
good morning, guys. It is a new day. On my way to a house call right now, and then after I have to do a return at Target and also probably Whole Foods. Sorry, my camera just shut off because the temperature in the car is very warm, so it doesn't let you do much. Have to go to Whole Foods and do a return, and then Target I am picking up some ovulation and pregnancy tests. I will probably explain what I've been experiencing this month. I did have bleeding, but I'm still unsure if it's implantation bleeding or just a very light period. Yesterday I had to pee a lot. I think I peed maybe every hour. I don't want to get my hopes up. I'd be lying if I said like next month will be a brand new month. I mean, if I'm not pregnant, I'll be disappointed, but if I am, that's great. Can't give up, right? So I'm really excited about the ovulation test. I'm gonna try out a different brand this time, see how that goes, and we'll go from there. I lied when I said I had very light implantation bleeding. I had one day where the blood was red and I was for sure thinking I was gonna get my period, but then that day, I think that was the only day I had, and then everything else, it just ended up becoming like more pink and brown. Social media is so weird. Like, I'm trying to not give my hopes up and being hopeful that I am pregnant. I just don't want to test anymore. We'll see what happens. But yeah, so far the only symptoms I've had was just the bleeding and the constant heat. The sore boobs and the headache went away, which is great. I embrace them because it does give me hope at the end of the day. But I'm happy some of the symptoms stuck around. We won't know for sure until the tests say it's positive. I decided to do both. They're so exhausted.
Parce que je me sentais seule dans ma petite petite bulle. Je voulais danser, mais je me sentais comme un funambule. Parce que je me sentais seule. Et t'es arrivé.
Okay, I'm so excited because I had a batch of donuts in the freezer. I decided that I'm gonna make donuts. So I have my oil prepping, and then I have the frosting. I preserve these things for as long as I can, typically in the freezer, and I defrost them when I'm ready to cook with them. Oh my god, they look like little macaroons. They're so cute. I had chocolate and maple, and I ran out of maple, unfortunately. Okay, but like, they're so good. Oh my god. Guys, what do I do? This is so much stuff. I had been traveling earlier in the year, so this is definitely the result from that. I love Modern Family, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put that show on. It's one of my favorite shows. I can watch it over and over again. I kind of like the vibe right now in here, so I'm gonna just film. Hey guys, welcome back. I just got to my client's house. I'm just waiting here until it's time for me to go in. It is now 11. It is now 8:11. Her appointment is at 8:30. I'm getting ready to go to that. And after, I have a x-ray appointment that I have to go to. Probably grab something to eat, go grocery shopping or something. Is it Thursday already? It's so crazy. But how is it that I'm a hairstylist and I can't even do my own hair, or don't even know what to do with my hair half the time? But I've been liking the color and how it's been growing out, so that's nice. I just got out of the doctor's office. I'm about to head home now. X-ray's done for another doctor's appointment I have tomorrow, so yeah. It was a whole mess. I had to wait almost 2 hours, but half of that was spent at Starbucks, so I'm okay. They didn't get an email that I had sent them previously, and so it took a little over 30 minutes to get it all figured out and assorted. I was never going to get called if I didn't ask about the email that I sent. Good morning, everyone. I have one client today, and it's just probably a partial highlight or a full highlight. I'm not sure, but I am so happy it's Friday, and I'm so happy I'm doing so much better now. I've been seeing a acupuncturist for acupressure, and I just feel like that's just helped my body so much. So I can't wait to update you on that. I'm just getting ready for work. I made my matcha for me and my husband, and I put it in a Starbucks cup. I have some big updates. Not sure where that will take me. I'm just kind of going with the flow for now. It's kind of crazy how the universe works, and I'm for it, and I want to see where that will take me.
Mais on s'est trouvé comme si nos larmes par nos fous rires étaient effacées parce qu'on nous a blessés.
My future goal is to eventually work for myself, but I want to make sure that before I do, my clients will be taken care of and that I will be taken care of. My friends have done it. Everyone I know that like has been in the industry, they've started working for themselves. I need to do it. It's been difficult because I do like the I can't say it, but anyway, I just like the team aspect of working with the team, and things are changing and I need to do something soon. I've been saying this for a while that I've been wanting to do a website for my hair page and work on SEO because I don't know, I just feel like in LA it's so hard to get clients, but I know that there's so many people that want to get their hair done. So I've been working on that. That's my big project. I'm not going to do anything crazy. I'm just going to keep it simple. It's just for clients that want to book an appointment and, you know, want to get to know the stylist that's doing their hair. I was working. Shit happens. I'm at work. So I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Here's my fit for the day. Well, just the shoes. I don't know why these are comfy to me. They're more comfortable than my tennis shoes. I think I'm flat-footed. At the end of the day, I just get really tired on being on my feet, and these are allowing me to stay on my feet and not get so exhausted. I do sit down a lot for work, just for
For me, like a doctor's office.
Yeah, like Taylor's hair.
The evolution.
Gosh, these things look so good.
Yes, thank you. I know.
It's not a cheater. It's a rubber.
Wait.
Let me get the cookie out with my hand like that.
No.
I'm gonna take a piece. I'm gonna take the whole cookie out.
What the heck?